Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. I will be showing you a new wig. This is a virgin hair unit and it is from a new company that I haven't worked with before in the past. So let's go ahead and jump right into this new wig. Alright, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications by hitting that bell so you never miss a new upload from me. Make sure you're liking and sharing these videos because it really helps me out. So this is the unit that I have today. I did make this wig using a dome cap and weave glue, and I sewed the closure on. I have not manipulated the closure at all. I didn't pluck anything and I didn't bleach the knots on the closure because I think this time I'm gonna leave some leave out, which I haven't done in years, but I just feel in the mood to do it. I don't know why. This is the curl pattern of the hair. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this curl pattern. So this is the closures curl pattern without being manipulated at all, and this is what the curls look like once you go ahead and pull the bundles apart. I'm not sure if the curls will stay this way after washing and letting it air dry, but I will go ahead and test that and let you guys know. Alright you guys, so the hair is from SVT Hair and it is in 4 bundles of 24 inches, and I did use all 4 bundles except for a really small piece was left over, and I did get a 20-inch closure. So all 4 bundles were 24 inches and a 20-inch closure. So what I think I'm going to do for my hairline is to just literally pull out some hairs right at the front. And my hair is just blow dried and it's in a ponytail. So I'm just going to pull some hairs out just right from the front. And this is just for those days that you want to throw on your wig, but you don't necessarily want to use a lot of gel and glue. So I just have my hair in a ponytail in the back. And then I just have this little bit of hair in the front. I'm going to turn on my flat irons. The flat irons I'm using today are my HSI Professionals, and I think I'm going to put them on 400. So I'm going to put them on 400 and let those heat up. And that's about how much hair I'm going to pull out in the front. And what I think I'm going to do with the sides is just use a little bit of edge control to just gel it back. Or maybe I should pull out all the sides, all the front. I think I'm gonna pull out the whole front. Let me just do the whole front. Now when I blew out my hair, I didn't use anything except for my pink oil. So this is all I use to blow dry my hair, and I use my Yellow Bird blow dryer. If you're interested in this curling iron or the blow dryer that I use, I do have links in the information bar down below. Okay, so that's what it looks like straightened. Obviously the hair is curly, so I'm gonna have to go back and, you know, do some blending. So then I'm gonna just go ahead and pop the wig on. Now I do have this big huge ponytail, so like I said, this is just really a quick way to throw on your wig if you're just like running out the door. So this is what it looks like with the wig just placed on my head with my own hair out. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and push this hair back. I'm not gonna comb too much because I don't want to disturb the curls too much, but I am just trying to blend a little bit. And you know, this is like a much more natural way to do it. If you don't mind heat. If you don't like heat on your hair, this probably won't work for you. But if you don't mind a little heat, this could definitely work well. You definitely have options with this. And this is super full, you guys. You don't have to make your wig this full. This is 4 bundles of hair and a closure. So this is extremely full. I'm gonna add just a couple of baby hairs. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, this is like the easiest and simplest way to just throw on your wig, especially when it's a closure wig. I don't think it would be this easy if it was a frontal, to be quite honest, but a closure wig is super, super easy if you just want a throw on and go option. So if you're not opposed to a little bit of heat, and you know, you can literally slay this wig in 5 minutes. You see how quick and easy that was? And the hair is absolutely gorgeous. Stunning. This is 4 bundles. So if you don't like your hair this thick, no problem. You can do less bundles. So the hair is definitely really full, really soft. The curl pattern is amazing. The texture is silky. I used a dome cap to create this wig, and I just used weave glue and I sewed on the closure onto the dome cap. And this wig is like fitting my head a little bit big. I used this foam head, but I think it's fitting me big because I'm wearing it behind my hairline. This is a 20-inch dome head, so if I was wearing it in front of my hairline, it would fit me perfectly, but it's big because I have it pushed behind my hairline. So as you can see, I didn't even have to curl my own hair. My own hair just kind of is chilling. I thought I might have to curl it to blend, but if you leave a very small amount, you shouldn't have a problem. Now, my hair is natural. The only way I'd be able to get away with this wig is because it is the winter time and it's not like super humid or anything here where I live. I'm in DC. So I can definitely get away with my hair not reverting back. If you live in a humid climate and you're natural, I wouldn't necessarily suggest this option because, as you know, your hair will puff up and look crazy next to this silky hair. So be cautious of that. But yeah, at this time of year, I won't have a problem. And yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm super, super happy with this hair. If you guys want to know more about SVT hair and the hair that I'm wearing, then you can go ahead and click the link in the information box down below, and there will be all the information that you need on this hair. If you're curious about how I make my wigs, I'll also link a video as to how I make my wigs. And yeah, if you're in the market for a baby hair scarf, I do sell those on gleemade.com, and there's a link in the information bar for that as well. All right, you guys. Oh, the edge control I was using today is by Style Factor. It's their edge booster, and this one is in strawberry. Hopefully I answered all you guys' questions. If you have more questions for me, please leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.